Welcome back to the workshop. I was in need of some storage solutions. Once you take the cardboard off the top, and the bottom, you can see from this there's 5 shelves. They do other models and they've got less shelves, obviously they're not so high. Once you open it up, all the bits to put it together are easily accessible. On the legs, one of the ends is much narrower, and that's so it can be placed in the holes of the shelves. There's 4 feet and there's 4 caps to seal the top of the unit. There's also some other accessories. These are for joining 2 units together, and these are for fastening the unit to the wall. I'm not going to be bothering with these today, so I don't need them. I put some wood down so that when this unit has been built and there's some weight on it, these won't cut into the rubber floor. Assembly is so straightforward. You take your 4 feet and you push them in the holes. Next, you turn the shelf over. You'll note from this that one edge is flat and the other edge is slightly round. The next step is to install the legs, making sure that the narrow piece of the shaft goes into the hole. It really couldn't be any simpler. Then we slot on the next shelf. Making sure to align the holes. And repeat the process with the next set of legs. Now you've got the idea, let's put together the rest of the shelves. All that remains is to put the caps on, like so. Ta-da! Strength wise, it says it holds up to 60 kilos. There's a 10 kilo weight plate. Not a problem at all. All things considered, I think it's a great affordable storage solution. InfoShed out.